Okay guys, look at this. We got some blackbirds up on the summer house. There was 4 of them. 2 of them have already flown out. These guys are very close to being ready to take off. So there's only 2 left now. If you go on my Facebook page, you'll be able to see the photos of them from this morning. So here you go. It's a little look at nature for you. If we're lucky, maybe we'll see the mom fly in. That's where they are. They're on the edge of the little house right here. See, they're up there in the floodlight.
How cool is that?
Isn't that neat? Look at that.
I got crap on the deck. Alright, stay tuned.
Oh, hang on a second. If we go over here, we might be able to see the other one. Right there. There's the other one. Right there. You can see the second one. Look at all the fuzz on the top of their heads. Haha. Oh, the other one's ducking again. Oh, there you can see them now. Wow, look at them. Wow. Well, maybe we'll get lucky and see the mom fly in. And this is where I've been hiding.
Here's another view.
See, now you can get a real good look at the river. Last time I was here, this island was so tall you couldn't see anything past it. Now you can actually see the shoreline on the other side. See, then you can look and see up this way. See, there's more houses and stuff out here that people stay up here in. It's just a summer spot, basically. Spring, summer, and maybe a part of fall before it gets too cold. Because this part of New York gets pretty cold. Especially in the winter, the coldest part of the winter, it's really, really cold up here. And that's what the other part looks like. It kind of goes around there, so we won't be able to see it go around, but it goes around up that way. Alright, so let's see if we can spot the mom coming in, maybe.
Yep, so they're just hanging out up there at the full light.
There they go. They're still up there.
It's a perfect spot. It's in the seed, it's in the gutter, it's on top of the
Oh, see, now you can see the other one. Whoops.
babe, come over here and sit.
Let me back out the zoom.
The parents are not going to come.
I know, I'm just getting a close-up of them. Okay, let's see if the mom comes.
The mom has a bee.
Oh, see, there's that one was just flapping his wings a little bit.
overhead now.
Oh,
Yep.
there you go. You just saw some wing action.
Mother bird's up in the tree right now.
Yeah, hopefully she'll come in while we're still recording so you guys can see what happens. See how they're fed.
Here we go.
Oh, okay, here you go. Look at that. That's how they get fed. She's been busy.
Yep. So there you have it.
There you go. Now you just saw her feed them. And she's probably gone to get them more because they're still squawking.
Yep.
I'm hungry. Feed me. What's taking you so long?
Alright, so there you go. You just saw the mother bird come in and fed the other two.
Look at them. This one's wings keep going up.
Yeah, the one on the left is ready to jump
Yep.
out.
His wings keep going up. He's like, I want out of here. And they are in the perfect spot because they don't get rained on. They got the light thing to sit on and the gutter to sit on. Their nest is supported very well in that spot. So you can see why the parents picked that spot. Why they decided to build there.
Alright, thank you for watching.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. A little taste of nature for you. So have a great day, and remember that this is what life's all about, is enjoying the more simple things. Oh, here comes Mom one more time. We're going to see it one more time. One more time. There she is. There's the mom. So that's what those guys are going to look like when they get bigger. They're going to look like her. They still got a little more growing to do. But that's how they're going to look, is the way she did. So have a great day, guys. Remember, get out there and enjoy yourselves. And try to soak in some nature while you're at it. Whoop. Have a great day, guys. One last look at them.